Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I trim up my cheek lines. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. Today we're inside because we're going to show you how I trim up my cheek lines. Now, I don't use one of the tools. I don't use a lot of the things that I've seen other videos showing you cheek lines. I do it a little bit different. So that's what I'm going to show you. That's why I'm going to do this video, show you guys how I do my cheek lines. What I use is a safety razor. I've used a safety razor back from whenever I used to shave my face. I love a safety razor. I never went on the straight razor side. I've always enjoyed a safety razor. And this is where it gets easy. So let's give it a little bit of water here. Try not to cut ourselves today because we just put a new blade in this. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and then I'll tell you why I pick a safety razor. So I don't put anything on my face before I do it. I don't use shaving cream. I don't use anything like that. Sometimes I will do it straight out of the shower, put my beard oil in, and I'll rub beard oil a little high to kind of moisturize that. But I don't need anything like that. So we're going to try to do this where you can see it while I'm looking in the mirror and trying to look in the phone. So I just pull this down, and I'm not using any kind of guard. I'm not drawing a line. I know where I want my line, which is right here. But I've got a little bit of hair here, and then I've got, you can see these kind of scragglers right here. So that's what I want to get rid of. So we've wet the safety razor. So we're just going to come in and just clean that up. And I'm just pulling this down. I'm not really putting pressure on it. I'm just holding it out of the way. Now, I don't have very sensitive skin, so if you do have sensitive skin, you may want to use something else other than just dry shaving this. But for me, it works. And it just really just cleans up those scragglers. And so we got this one done. That's all it takes. Don't need any kind of, for me, I don't need any kind of guard or line. And that's it. Simple as that. Now the reason I like a safety razor, number one, I don't have to sharpen it like a straight razor. I just don't like the disposable razors because you can't really see what you're doing. I have used a disposable razor before, and I've gone lower than I wanted because you can't really see where that blade is. This, I can see where the blade is hitting, I can see what it's doing, and I can control that a little bit better. The other benefit to the safety razor is you just unscrew here and you take your blade out. Most of the packs of blades are going to come, let me grab it. Most of your packs of blades are going to come in a package like this. So you have your new blades in here that you push this to get them out, and then when you are used the blade, you put it in the back here in a slot, and that way it doesn't cut you or cut anything in the trash or anything like that, because it is still sharp. Even though it's used and somewhat dull, it's still sharp enough to cut you, and cut you pretty good. So I absolutely love a safety razor. There's some really nice ones, some really expensive ones. I don't remember what I paid for this, but I did get it off of Amazon, so I will drop a link. I'll find this one, and I'll put a link in the description below. You can check that out if you're interested. But again, I don't have sensitive skin, so I don't really need to put anything on it, and I'm fine with just wet shaving it without any kind of oil. Now I will, if it gets really bad, I try to do this about once a week, but if I don't get a chance to or something like that and it gets really bad, then when I get out the shower, I'll put oil in and put that oil up a little bit higher, which will make that hair a little bit softer and it'll cut a little bit better. But you don't need any of that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, we will next time, and God bless.